So I got a call the other day from a client of mine with some commercial buildings, and they had a gutter that was damaged with all the ice and snow built up in it. So came up and fixed the gutter and asked him, as long as I'm up here, do you want me to take a look at the roof? And he said, yeah, you're already there. Sure, go ahead. I don't think there's any issues. I haven't heard of any complaints about leaks, and I got most of my commercial roofs replaced not too long ago, so it's probably fine, but go ahead and take a look at it while you're there. So I did, and this is what I found. That is the gutter down there that I fixed the other day. So we've got a vent, some kind of a vent, furnace vent coming through there that's not sealed properly. It shouldn't have that black tar around it. It should look like this one where the boot is actually welded to the membrane. So I found that while I was up here. I found a puncture right there. There's a hole in the membrane. There's another hole in the membrane right there. Just some debris up here that we'll clean off. This is another penetration that's not done properly. It looks like a plumber came through and threw a pipe boot on there that's not meant for a low slope commercial roof. This is meant for asphalt shingle roof, and they put the black tar around there again, which is going to eat through this membrane and reduce the life of it. Also found a couple of cracks, some spider cracks over here. They look like spiders with the legs coming out, just because this AC unit always dripping water in the summertime, and it's that's why it's discolored. So that's why that's aging faster. Also checked a couple of spots here around the perimeter where there's some cracks. So overall, the roof is in pretty decent condition. It definitely does not need to be replaced anytime soon, and if we can get some of these repairs done, it'll last even longer. But even if you don't think that there's any issues with your roof, if none of your tenants have complained about leaks or anything like that, you still might have some issues. So give us a call, 888-9384, 888-YETI, and we will do a free commercial roof inspection for you, document the whole process. I can do a video up here if you would like. We take a bunch of pictures and put them together in a photo report. So give us a call and we will check out your roof for you.